Hi guys, another incident in the train track. Our train was stopped in the middle of the platform and all the passengers were deluded. They're suspecting a fire in the train track and as you can see, the boys from TFL investigated. Ocular inspection was been undergone and we'll see what happened really. I didn't catch it, but the guys distinguished the little fire in the train track, and it's been stopped. They are so strict in the fire safety. So, oh God, this fire brigades they are coming to see it. I hope everything is cool. You see, it's very important actually to be safe and sorry. This is what I like, safety first. I think the experts, the firemen, already give a green signal, so the train move inch by inch now. Testing. This is what I like, because they are really keen of fire safety. So there you go, the train is moving. So it's back to its state, so you can go home now. Awesome. Well done, boys. Awesome. Obviously, this has been delayed in the services, so at least the problem was solved. It was rectified. So I probably catch the second train, the next train actually. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mano TV UK saying goodbye. See you next time. Thank you so much. Cheers. Right.